How to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enable the JavaScript on your Google Chrome. So first thing first, simply head over to your Google Chrome application and simply click on this three dot icon over here at the top right corner, and from over here simply head down and scroll down until you see the settings option, and from over here simply click on privacy and security once you are inside your settings, and from over here just select on security, and you will not into the security. You will need to have to go to site settings, not security. Simply head over to site settings, and once you're over here we will see under the content section a JavaScript option. Simply click on it and make sure if your option is on the don't allow sites to use JavaScript, make sure it's enabled on the sites can use the JavaScript. So once you do that, simply close the button over here and restart your Chrome, and that should do it. So that is it guys, that is exactly how you can enable JavaScript on your Google Chrome. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.